I am Suryanarayanan of Swamee Surya channel. I welcome all subscribers and viewers to this video. 3 days back, I had given a video about cholesterol. So today, this is the continuation of cholesterol. That means part 2. As discussed earlier, excess cholesterol is the result of indigestion. So the best way to prevent indigestion and to get rid of excess cholesterol is to avoid all fried items, milk products such as cream, butter, ghee, ice cream, and all bakery items. It is also advisable to avoid liquor, smoking, meat, and all animal products. To bring down the excess cholesterol and the effect of LDL, which is responsible for a dangerous outbreak of heart disease, it is better to go in for vegetables. Vegetables contain fiber. Fiber is very much essential to control our excess cholesterol. Go for vegetable food. Avoid completely the meat and meat products, liquor, smoking, etc. So your lifestyle should be improved to a considerable extent. Other remedies include regular exercises, yogic exercises, drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. One more thing, at least 1 glass of water boiled with coriander seeds. It should be taken in the morning. Then in the water treatment, cold hip bath is the best remedy for controlling the excess cholesterol. One has to sit in a plastic tub and fill the plastic and sit in that and fill the plastic tub up to the navel level and sit there for 10 minutes. It will remove not only excess cholesterol but many other diseases. For ladies, this is an excellent treatment to improve their menstrual cycle and the resultant stomach ache. The exercises include walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming. Yogic exercise includes Vajrasana and Padmasana. One has to sit in Padmasana and chant the Dhanvantari mantra. This will improve our mental strength. The cholesterol is our mental worry and frequently getting angry and doing everything in a fast way is one of the reasons for increasing the cholesterol and for the heart disease. If we maintain peace of mind and doing the things in a casual way, the risk of heart attack will be minimum. So to maintain our peace of mind, it is better to sit in Padmasana and chant Dhanvantari mantra. The mantra is like this: Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalasha Hastaya Sarvamaya Vinashagaya Trailokyanadaya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha. Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namo Narayanaya. Only once I have chanted this mantra. If anybody is interested to sit in meditation and to calm down their mind and to recite this Dhanvantari mantra, which is very helpful to control all our diseases, kindly contact me or my wife over the mobile number given in the description box. We will be very glad to help you in this regard, to teach you meditation, to teach all of you how to chant this mantra and derive the maximum benefits. So keeping our mind calm is the best way to prevent any disease and prevent onset of disease also. So cholesterol is not a major problem. It can be cured by changing our lifestyle, by changing our food habits and resorting to vegetarianism, totally avoiding meat, liquor, smoking, etc. Improve the lifestyle and get rid of all the diseases. Now we are particularly discussing about cholesterol. So you have to make a small sacrifice. Overeating should be avoided, and the more tasteful food are dangerous. Go in for food which are less with condiments and other masala items. Lead a peaceful life. At least do half an hour meditation and the chanting of mantra, preferably Dhanvantari mantra, to get rid of all your diseases. For better guidance, contact us over the mobile number. The service we are doing is totally free because in our Sanatana Dharma it has been told to do two danas, Annadana and Nanadana. And we are giving this Nanadana. Dana means without charging any fee. It is free. This is a charity. Whatever we know, we are sharing to others. So kindly be in touch with us. We are ready to help you to cure all your diseases and make all the subscribers of the Swamee Surya channel a healthy, wealthy and wise citizen of our motherland. Thank you all.